guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is on this look right here, eye look should I say, and I am using the Plouise Blend Away 2022 palette, and I do use a glitter. This is a pressed glitter from With Loves Cosmetics, and this is called, what's it called? Pink Lady. So it's got like a really nice gold reflect to it as well. So if you want to see how I did this look, please keep on watching.
Hey guys, so we're going in with the Plouise Blend Away 2022 palette. I'm going to go in with like the purpley shades and pink shades. Obviously you can see what I'm doing. So I'm just prepping the eyelid with the Helene eye base, and then I'm putting some medical tape on so I get a crisp line. Medical tape is less harsh on the skin than sellotape, I find anyway. And I'm basically doing like a blown out winged effect. So I go in with like my darker shade first and then progressively get lighter, and it's just a lot of backwards and forwards motions. If you want a more in-depth video on how I blend, then I can do that, where I do get up close and personal. I have sped up this video so it's not too boring, but if you'd like to see it where I do explain my process a bit better, then let me know. Now I'm just going in with some cleansing balm and creating a half cut crease shape. I'm just cleaning it up with a wet wipe here, and then I use the eye base again just to create that nice half cut crease shape, and I'm using the brush to make sure that it's perfect. And then I'm going in with one of the shimmers, and I find it easier to use my fingers, and I'm using one of these pressed glitters. Now these are meant to be like, so you don't need a glue, and you don't get fallout, but I did, so I actually prefer using a loose glitter with glue, but that's another video. Ooh, satisfying peel. So I'm just putting liner obviously in my waterline. I do tight line as well, I just didn't show it, and smudging it out with a flat brush, sorry. And then I go in with all the colours, all the matte colours that I used above, just to smoke out that bottom lash line. I also as well, I don't know if you'll be able to like tell very well, but I do like an inner corner flick with the shadows as well. I just used a really fine angled brush. You can see a little bit here what I've done. Again, if you want to see a more in-depth video on how I do that, just let me know. Putting in another shimmer on the inner corner just to make it pop a bit more, and then I went in with half lashes. Can you believe it? So these are called Butterfly Effect by Tatti Lashes, and they are lush. So yeah, that's just me just putting them on. Like honestly, these are so easy, so I think they're so beginner friendly of a half lash, because you don't have to worry about the inner corner so much. The only thing I will say is make sure you do put the liner, you know, on the part that hasn't got a lash, just so it all blends in together. This isn't up close and like really dodgy posing, but yeah, what do you think?
So guys, what do you think? I absolutely love it. I must admit at first I was like, oh, what are you doing, Becky? But I do actually dig it. And I must admit the glitter is really, really pretty, and I'm wearing a half lash. Like, how do we feel about the half lash? Because I was all, oh, what's the point of a half lash? But it's a game changer. You don't have any inner corner poking or anything like that. But yeah, what do you think? If you have enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit subscribe and let me know what you think down below. And if there's anything in particular you want to see, let me know and I will put it on my list to do. So bye guys. That was just like so awkward.